This is Parker the Penguin. He is on one of London's last dark marshal buses. You can see the excitement in his small, cute, little penguin eyes.
It's lift tour time!
We are at Shippy Hill, Britain's second most used station after, of course, Emerson Park. Everything on this map is to scale. Every building, every lift, and every person, even including the one and only Mr. Fat.
And now to the first lift. This lift is a really nasty generic lift and it should be replaced as soon as possible. This lift is so rude that it even gave me an electric shock while I'm trying to use it.
Cough. Sorry, my throat hurts. That was like a biz take one. Ow!
Ground floor.
This is by far the spookiest car park that I've ever been in. Look at this.
Welcome to Debenhams.
Please note, this is a rare sign, did you know that?
That's amazing.
£1 an hour? What a fucking rip-off when you can instead buy one of these lovely Pepsi Frozens. Right
Freeze,
there.
get it right.
I don't fucking care. Let's find the lift!
New Pepsi Freeze. Go buy it now. $9.99 for 10 cups.
It's a fucking rip-off
It's
as
not
well.
$9.99. $9.90.
This button doesn't work.
Lol. By the way, it's a notice 2000.
I'm bored of this lift, I'm
I
going
don't
away.
like guilt.
And now to the next lift, which is one of the most interesting lifts that I've ever been in. Unfortunately, we have had several technical issues while filming this lift.
Going up.
Oh.
7th floor. Going down. Third floor.
Here we see our mascot, Parker the Prick, hanging out in Into Lakeside with his best friend Nutweevil. However, everybody seems to like calling him Dean.
And now we come to the next lift.
Back section.
And here we have a 1960s classic, an Otis lift, which has been transferred from Gravesend.
As you can see, it's full of original features such as this key, this button, and this Into Lakeside sign. As you can see, this is lift ID yellow 2. In the event of a lift emergency, please press and hold the alarm button. As you can see, the doors are about to open.
They take their bloody time, don't they?
The doors, as you can tell, have successfully opened and we are allowed out of the lift.
Oh, look at that view!
As you can
That
see,
looks great!
the view is shit. After stopping the doors from closing on me, I shall now press the floor 1 button.
As you can see here, Parker the Prick is having a lot of fun, as you can see from his beady penguin eyes.
That is completely correct. Now let's enjoy a moment of silence as this lift moves down to floor 1. We have now arrived at floor 1. The doors will now open shortly, as you can see. We shall now exit the lift and have a look at the beautiful display, which on this model does not work. On the one next door, it does work. As you can see, it's on floor 1.
That's a bit of a surprise and a bit coincidental, see, as we are on floor 1. It's not up.
Here is an out of service sign. Unfortunately, the bit on the end is missing.
Heads up, the shops are this way.
So let's head for the shop. It says flock this way, doesn't say heads up. You lied. Hold up.
This way.
You didn't lie.
Parker's being a bad boy.
He's gonna get arrested.
Parker the Prick has been arrested. He is being tortured by the government. Look at what this cruel bully is doing to Parker. After that minor workplace mishap that resulted in the death of poor Parker, we venture on to our next lift. This lift holds a very special place in my heart. This is the second lift I have ever filmed in my entire life. an issue with that button.
Let's try this one instead.
Mind the door. Doors closing.
Doors closing. Lift going down.
As you can see, that side is working, this side is a bit broken.
Off, on. I wonder what switch is off or on when I switch this switch.
What if I don't want any of them, then what? Huh? Tell me.
What if
Tell
I
me.
want off, on, or maybe...
What's this? This isn't this. That doesn't make
I
any
don't know
sense
what
at all,
that
does it?
means. Let's go back to G. Let's see if we can figure that out.
Doors closing.
This alarm button, anybody can reach that over there.
I mean, it's quite a difficult place to get to, isn't it?
Oh, I know, isn't it?
If you want to press the alarm button, you need to be on the floor like this and press it.
Oh,
Ground
dear.
floor to Trafford 100 station.
Don't understand. Why commerce 2? What's that supposed to be, huh?
Dunno, don't care.
Mind
What if C2C is actually commerce 2 commerce?
Whoa.
What if that's what it stands for? That would make a lot of sense. in
You
my
are a truly
opinion.
intellectual person and we
Oh, thank you for your understanding and your appreciation of my theory as to what C2C
your
stands for.
excellence.
Lakeside shopping.
Oh my
Why
god!
is that sideways? There's no good reason.
This walkway looks beautiful with its many different colours.
Oh no, best walkway ever.
Oh look, dog days! Let's watch that movie. Once you get through the amazing coloured walkway, you get to a classic Otis lift from the 1960s.
It goes from 0 to -1. Let's press -1.
Whoa! That was a bit dodgy, wasn't it?
It was made in
1960.
As you can see, this lift is really old and tatty. It really shows its age.
Look, people, they're really nice. I like people.
Oh.
I like to conversate with them
I love
in an
people as
orderly
well.
fashion.